Stein du cross Omer Shabbos by the famous Keter Judaica. Die Eli hat uns aufgegriffen Hand. Eli! Shalom Aleichem, Eli.
Shalom Aleichem, Chaim, how are you?
Thank you for calling me. You called me, you said, Chaim, come down, I have something to show you.
Yes,
what is it? You didn't tell me what?
I have to show you and I have to tell you.
Okay, let's go for it.
There's everything.
So this is the name Mitzvah Center. If anybody needs anything for Hanukkah,
yeah,
and for the third, okay. Well, what's the surprise? You said you have a surprise for me here.
Yeah, we have a big surprise. We have a big sale of art scroll coming up, starting today until the next Tuesday, and our prices go even lower than art scroll sales price. Our big shasim of art scroll, Hebrew and English, are going to be sold for $1,899.
$1,899. That is.
It's
literally
very low. Usually it's over 2,000.
Wow. And this is cheaper than art scroll?
Cheaper than art scroll.
So if somebody wants to order an art scroll shas, it's cheaper to come to Keter.
Definitely, or on the phone.
Or call Keter, or walk in here on 30th Avenue and order here, cheaper than going to art scroll.
Art scroll, definitely. And the small shas going to be sold Hebrew and English for $1,599 only.
The small set is for $1,599. So you can have for under $1,600 a full set of shas in your house. Show us the set. You have it here?
Yes, of course. I'm going to show you. So the sperm. This is the small sample of art scroll shas. This is a big in English.
Same price Yiddish, English and Hebrew?
Yes, in the sale. And here's the Hebrew shasim, the small sample, a big sample. And
the color, even if somebody, Daf Yomi is starting Sanhedrin now.
Yes, Sanhedrin starts right.
So it's a perfect time to buy your own shas, have your own shas in your closet, in your svarim
trunk.
trunk.
We have a separate table for the Masechet that they're learning right now. So we're going to have the table right there.
For Sanhedrin. But even if somebody is not learning Daf Yomi, he's doing Omid Yomi, Vigisu, whatever he's doing.
It's very nice to have a big set of shas.
You're saying just for the color, for design.
For the design.
It matches the chairs, the furniture. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful set. Wow. So you can walk in here on 30th Avenue from this Tuesday, Tuesday, Pashas told us, till next Tuesday, 1 week.
1 week is a big sale.
And you can call the number. What's the number?
You can call the number 718-480-5532.
Or you can walk in again, right?
Or again, to walk in, as always, you're going to have experience of buying, a beautiful experience to buy in Keter.
Eli,
service.
If somebody comes in and says the Perlowitz Show, you're going to take him in, VIP service.
VIP service. We'll give VIP service to every customer, but he's going to get a special VIP.
Very good.
Chaim, let me show you, once you step in, I want to show you also the Simcha section in the back. If you don't mind, come take a look at it.
Beautiful. So you have first all the menorahs here for Hanukkah.
The menorahs is ready.
You say people should come in early because the stock doesn't last.
No, we have stock and
Zeu. So somebody wants to buy something nice for Hanukkah, come in now. Beautiful.
So you can see on this wall, this is the rack of bar mitzvah. You can see this rack is the bar mitzvah section. You have bags only for tefillin. And you have stock items like velvet tefillin bags, and you have the custom bags for special, of course, more price, but it's special.
Custom made.
Professional profession of Keter to do those custom bags. This is a tefillin area. This is machzorim for chasanim for kalis. All genuine leather, of course. I'm a foyerish tefillah bekavune, kol Yaakov, all the popular machzorim sets.
Somebody wants his own color. He likes a certain unique color.
We have a special service. We send it to a special custom leather. He can pick any machzorim sets he wants. We're going to custom bind it in the highest end of quality. Chaim, you can see here is the talis bags for people that are married, chatanim. We have all this wall.
A wall full of talisim.
Full of talis bags. Yeah, very
choose
special.
Any style, any type.
Yeah, this is the style of
quality. Beautiful golden aturis, diamonds, kitlich.
And we have sidurim from leather over there for chatanim, kalis.
So anything that anybody needs for a present for somebody, it's coming Hanukkah now. People are buying presents for people.
Any mitzvah someone wants to do, Keter is a place for mitzvah behidu.
Mitzvah behidder, Keser. Beautiful. Okay, Chevre, check it out. 30th Avenue, 53rd Street. Come in and meet my friend Eli. If they say they saw it on the Perlowitz Show, remember, VIP service. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, it's nice to see you, Chaim.
Same here.